Components of computer system. Computers can be found in our homes, schools, hospitals, train stations, airports, banks, and retail malls, among other places. Before we begin our computer studies, let us define what a computer is. A computer is an electronic machine that processes information to produce the intended output. Every computer is made up of both hardware and software. Hardware refers to the visible and touchable components of a computer. Processor, monitor, keyboard, printer, and so on are examples of hardware or peripheral equipment. Instructions are used to provide input to a computer. A program is a set of instructions that we send to the computer to do a certain task. Many such programs together form a software for the computer. Operating systems, antivirus, MS Office, computer games are all software applications. The computer needs both hardware and software to perform effectively. The mechanical and electronic devices that we can see and touch are referred to as hardware. The software is made up of programs, the operating system, and data that are stored in memory and storage media. The working of a computer can be broadly categorized into the following 4 functions or steps. I. Receiving input, accepting data information from the user through various input devices like the keyboard, mouse, scanner, etc. 2. Processing information, performing arithmetic or logical operations, ALU, on data information. 3. Storing information in storage devices like hard disks, CDs, pen drives, etc. 4. Producing output, communicating information to the user through any of the available output devices like monitors, printers, etc. The computer's hardware components can specialize in any of these functions. There are 2 types of computer hardware. 1. Processor hardware and 2. Peripheral devices. The Central Processing Unit, CPU, is the processing hardware, and as the name implies, it is where data is processed. People can interact with the CPU using peripheral devices. They work together to allow you to use the computer for a range of tasks. Let us go through the various components of a computer system in depth. The 4 main components of a computer are input devices. These are the devices that are used to accept data and instructions from the user. Keyboard, mouse, scanner, etc. are the examples of input devices. Central Processing Unit, CPU. This is known as the brain of the computer, as it controls the complete working of the computer. Memory. The data and instructions are stored in this component of the computer. Hard disk, DVD, pen drive, etc. are the examples of memory storage devices. Output devices. These are the devices that are used to display the desired result or information. Monitors and printers are the examples of output devices. Input devices. An input device is a device that collects data or instructions from the user. This data is then sent to the CPU to be processed in order to create the desired result. Although the keyboard and mouse are the 2 most frequent input devices, other devices such as optical character recognition, OCR, magnetic ink character recognition, MICR, and Mark Sense readers, among others, are also used as needed. Keyboard. The keyboard is similar to a regular typewriter, with a few extra keys. In general, a QWERTY keyboard with 104 keys is found. Modern multimedia keyboards may feature the extra keys. Mouse. Another widely used input device is the mouse. It is a pointing device that moves the cursor or pointer on a display screen. It is a small object that can be rolled along a hard, flat surface. The pointer on the display screen moves in the same direction as you move the mouse. A mouse may have 1, 2, or 3 buttons that perform different functions depending on the application that is running. Scanner. A scanner is an input device that reads text or an illustration printed on paper and converts the information into a computer-readable format. A scanner works by scanning an image and splitting it into a grid of boxes, with each box represented by a 0 or a 1 depending on whether it is filled in. The resulting bitmap matrix can then be saved in a file, displayed on a screen, and controlled by applications. Optical scanners do not distinguish between text and illustrations. All pictures are represented as bitmaps. As a result, you cannot directly alter scanned text. An optical character recognition (OCR) system is required to alter text read by an optical scanner to translate the image into ASCII characters. Character recognition using magnetic ink (mica). An optical character recognition (OCR) device reads text from paper and converts images into a format that a computer can interpret. An OCR is used to translate printed materials such as books, periodicals, and newspapers into digital format. And mica can recognize characters printed with magnetic ink. This device is extremely useful in the banking industry. The checks used in transactions each have a unique mica code that can be read by an mica device. Optical mark identification, optical mark recognition, OMR, also known as mark sense reader, is a technology that detects the presence or absence of a mark, such as a pencil mark, using an OMR device. The OMR is widely used for assessing the objective examinations involving multiple choice questions. Barcode reader. A barcode reader is an input device that is commonly found in supermarkets, bookstores, and libraries. A barcode reader is a photoelectric scanner that reads the vertically striped black and white marks printed on product containers. The barcode reader scans the product's barcode and verifies the product's description and current pricing. Digitizing tablet. Digitizing tablet is an input device for entering drawings and sketches into a computer. It is made up of an electronic tablet and a pen or cursor. Digitizing tablets are also known as digitices, graphic tablets, touch tablets, and tablets in general. Most tablets now allow you to use your finger to pick items or open or select apps by merely tapping them. Input devices for speech. Speech or voice input devices digitize a person's spoken words. When these input devices are coupled with appropriate software, form voice recognition systems. These systems enable users to operate microcomputers using voice commands.